Hey y'all, I've got another good, I'd already sprayed that. I've got another good vegetable recipe for y'all today. Have you ever made my zucchini bread that's in one of my first or either second cookbook? Well, if you haven't, you need to make it because it's out of this world with an herbed cream cheese, the smear on it. Oh my gosh, it's good as cake, y'all. So this recipe that I'm fixing to share with y'all is zucchini pie. So I think you'll like it just as much as you do the zucchini bread. So we're gonna start with 5 eggs. And it's called pie. But it's not going into a pie shell. But anything that calls itself a pie, I'm all in. All right, so we've got our zucchini that's sliced thin. We've got a 13 by 9 by 2 casserole dish. We've got some fresh basil. And I think it calls for like a teaspoon. So by the time we chop this, it won't be much over a teaspoonful. That's pretty good. It smells so good. What you think? That's probably about 2 teaspoons, isn't it, Eddie?
Yeah.
All right. That's a nice, healthy teaspoon. And I've got some black pepper and some salt. That was a half a teaspoon. I'm going to put about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt in it. And some crushed garlic.
I think it called for like a full tablespoon.
What did it call for?
A tablespoon.
A tablespoon? I can't
garlic.
remember, Eddie. 1 tablespoon, yes. All right, so I need to get with the program.
I like garlic.
I do too. Put all that garlic in there. I'm hungry for pie. All right, now we're gonna have to switch this over to a larger bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and add all the wet ingredients in there. Oops. And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of oil, just a vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna add some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And then I've also got some shredded. I'm gonna just put it all in there, Eddie. And then I have 1 cup of my biscuit mix. Now, if you don't have my mix, you can use any biscuit mix that you can find at the store. But this house does not go empty of my biscuits. So we're gonna mix that in.
Okay, we're making it extra cheesy. The recipe, I think we doubled the cheese. That's okay.
We probably did.
That's all right.
And which makes it so much gooder, doesn't it?
Parmesan's good.
Yes. Now, I don't know how I'm going to stir these zucchinis into that, but I'm going to try. All right, I want to check something else right this second, Eddie, before I keep going. Oh, it's all right.
Might need to add another egg.
You think? Add another box of biscuit mix. The recipe, and this is from my magazine, y'all. And the recipe calls for just the sliced zucchini, so I don't know why I didn't say chop it or grate it, because my zucchini bread, it's actually grated. Okay, so there we go. I think we've got everything in it, don't we, Eddie?
That's it.
And we're gonna bake this at 350, yeah, for about 35 or 40 minutes. Now, Eddie, I'm afraid to entrust, wait, this bowl's almost as big as I is. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Can't wait for y'all to taste this one. That zucchini's gonna cook right down. And you'll have to ask yourself, now what kind of vegetable is that? Because I don't think you'll be able to tell. And the zucchini will produce juices too, Eddie, that you feel like it's missing some juice. These glass bowls are so heavy, you know, or either I'm so weak. Okay, that's it. There we go. Y'all, I'm chicken. I'm scared of that other oven. I don't trust it yet. So our zucchini pie is going in my regular oven that I know for sure that it's set properly. So in the oven, this goes for 35 to 40 minutes, y'all. Who is ready for zucchini pie? I am. How about you, Eddie?
Yes, it smells wonderful.
Doesn't it smell wonderful? You wouldn't think zucchini bread would send me over the moon. But zucchini bread does do that to me. And I'm hoping that the zucchini pie will do the same thing. It's been a long time since I've tasted it. So, get back up on that fork. It's hot. So good, Eddie. The pie crust is real good. I can't remember. Did I put any butter in this?
I don't know that this has butter.
I can't remember.
It has oil.
I don't know, but a little butter might. I would say that this would make a great dish for you to take to a covered dish supper. And if you didn't want people to know what it was, I would take the zucchini and just dice them up. You can just call it whatever kind of pie you want. It's good. Mm. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.